Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy feeder connectivity issue, Wi-Fi not connecting or dropping signal. So guys, check Wi-Fi band compatibility. So guys, Birdfy camera only operate 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So if your router combines both your 2.4 GHz network and the 5 GHz network under a single network name, the feeder might attempt to connect to the 5 GHz band. Okay, to fix this, access your router setting and usually via your internet provide app or the website, or temporarily disable your 5 GHz bands or set up to dedicate 2.4 GHz. Okay, then guys, physically placement and the signal strength. So outdoor device can be very sensitive to obstruct. So thick wall, metal door or the metal housing on the Birdfy feeder metal can block or weak the signals. Then guys, you move the feeder within the 10 meter of your router with no more than 1 to 2 walls in between. Then position the camera so its lens and antenna face directly towards your house for the best light of the slide. Then check your app permission and the update. So guys, software and the server updates are regularly released to improve the connectivity and the clear bugs. So you simply go to the app or the Google Play Store and ensure your Birdfy app is fully updated. So hard reset and repair. So guys, if your device remain offline or falling it to reconnect, so restarting the pairing process resolve most software hangs. Then guys, you open your Birdfy app and remove the devices from your account. Then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it off. Then press it again to turn it back on. Then guys, double press the power button to enter the pairing mode. The blue light should flash, the device will chime. Then guys, follow the in-app prompts to scan the QR code and connect your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So these are the things that you can try. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.